Ano ang sabi? Today, pickup truck pa din ang pag-uusapan natin. Pero this time, isang manual na base model. Pero ang hirap paniwalaan na base model to. Kung bakit, tara pag-usapan natin kasama ang JAC T8 Pro. Let's go!
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Nung pagpasok ko dito sa showroom ng JAC Motors along C5 dito po sa Pasig, talaga naman matutuwa ka dahil ang daming mga units in full display dito. And believe me, they all look good. Well, if you have not heard of the brand yet and you're looking for that next car to purchase, drop by po kayo dapat dito. And right away, gusto kong banggitin na JAC ay 50% owned ng Volkswagen Group. Kaya that alone will tell you na hindi basta-basta ang brand na to. Yung DNA ng Volkswagen, mararamdaman mo sa mga models nila dito. Itong T8 Pro, and again, this one right here is a base model. Alam ko from the look alone, it doesn't seem to be looking like one, but it is. On the T8 Pro lineup, this is the cheaper one. It doesn't look like a base model at all. Appearance alone, alam mo na this is a step up from just a common or ordinary na unit na being a base model. Malupit ang tindig niya. It is wide and big and it looks proud. If you like pickup trucks, I'm sure you will like this one. Alam nyo, the only indication that this is a base model is its price. Na little over 1 million pesos. Talaga namang cheaper than its competitors. Other than that, talagang upscale model ang dating niya. Sabi nga nila sa JAC Motors, it looks tough but only on the outside. Kasi yung interior niya, it looks, I will say, premium. Well, para sa akin, medyo surprising in a way to use that term for a vehicle that is considered a base model, di ba? You got soft materials everywhere, nice quality seats, pero that is on the interior. Mamaya na po yan. Dito muna tayo sa kanyang exterior, sa design niya, sa look niya. For this pickup truck, di ko ma-figure out kung more on hawig ba siya ni D-Max or sa Hilux. Pero bottom line is, it looks tough. Alam mo yung serious na look, andon. Yung sinasabi niya na, I am all business here. Headlights niya LED with DRLs sa may ilalim, ayan. May fog lamps at itong front grille niya, it's big. And if you concentrate on this part, you see more of the resemblance, I guess, with the Hilux. Well, parang ganun. Dito naman sa side profile niya, it has the usual look for a pickup truck. Pero right away, napansin ko yung lapad ng stepboard niya, which is a simple feature, pero yung mga simpleng bagay na ganito na pinag-isipan nila, malaking value na ibibigay niyan on a daily basis sa customer. I like the wheel design, okay din yung size niya, sakto yung laki niya, at sa tingin ko, hindi mo na kailangan mag-upgrade ng mga gulong. And speaking of gulong, my gosh, this is double disc brakes for a base model. Kita din yung nakapalibot na mudguard sa kanya, ayan. It adds to that tougher look. At pagdating naman dito sa likod, maganda yung design ng taillights. Mahaba at okay, pansinin siya lalo na sa gabi. Yung mga emblem niya, ayan, ang ganda. Okay din sa akin itong T8 Pro, itong mismong emblem na pula na to. At dito naman po sa tailgate niya, ito po wala po siyang assist. Medyo mag-e-effort po kayo para buksan at isara yan. Pero being a pickup truck, this is not a big deal. It's not really an issue. May bed liner na po siya in place. Maganda din ang sports bar na naka-install sa kanya. At itong step board sa likod na may ilaw, na yan. Overall sa design, for me, this pickup truck, it looks very much at par sa mga katapat o competitors niya na pickup trucks as well. It has that dependable, take you anywhere pickup truck character to it. Now, being a base model na pickup truck, yung interior ng T8 Pro is something that will surprise you. I mean, talagang nakakagulat. For its price point, sasalubungin ka ng all-leather seats. AC vents sa likod, ayan po, charging ports. Yung premium feel andun sa door panels, may armrest dito, may mga cup holders. Kaya okay na okay po dito sa likod, lalo na kung dalawa lang ang nakaupo. Chillax talaga. Pagpunta dito sa harap, dito naman you would be more impressed, I would say. I was expecting na right away manual handbrake ang makikita ko, pero wala. Sabi ko, iba talaga ang pagkaka-upscale dito sa pickup na to. And honestly, the only thing I think na indication na nasa lower model class siya is itong manual Itong cambio mismo. But alone from the door panels, pagpunta niya sa dashboard, how everything is designed and how it looks, andun yung tipo talaga na malo-loss for words ka. Kasi pagka nakaupo ka dito sa harap, mapapaisip ka, it's like, I'm getting all of this for a base model? Talagang nakakagulat. Yung infotainment system niya for me is the centerpiece of the dashboard. Ayan, dito po, alam nyo na hindi siya tinipid. Napaka-elegant ang look, pati ito mismo kanyang cambio, yung stick shift niya, yung reverse po niya, ayan, kasi may 6 gear po siya, iaangat sa ilalim, ipapasok mo siya para mapunta sa reverse gear. Honestly, looking at this dashboard, at sa lahat na nakapaligid sa akin, di ko mapansin na may hard material sa halos Talagang it is a really good looking interior, especially for a base model. The steering wheel, ang ganda ng design na naka-flat bottom, sarap sa kamay, modern ang look, complete digital po ang display niya. Instrument panel, we can say that this one right here, this pickup truck, has the right balance of being just really up to date and modern, and the utilitarian feel of a pickup truck, what it should be. Now, being a pickup truck, pag-usapan na natin ang power plant niya. Engine department na po tayo. Well, it's a 2-liter diesel, 6-speed manual transmission, 4x2 po ang kanyang drivetrain, producing 137 horsepower at 3,600 RPM. Torque is 320 Nm at 2,600 RPM. Kaya I will say that it is not underpowered, no way. It is okay for a pickup truck na base model. And being a manual, you have all the gears at your disposal. Kontrolado mo sila. Kaya mas satisfy ka sa power na kayang i-deliver nito. Now, sa impressive features na meron siya, marami-rami po Kaya umpisahan na natin. Leather seats, manual dimming rear view mirror, sunglasses storage, front seat, may mga visor po yung kanyang driver seat at passenger seat. Multifunctional po ang leather steering wheel niya. Front reading light, meron nga po siyang headrest, power windows, power door lock, automatic door lock, meron po siyang ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, smart entry and start system, cruise control, ABS, EBD, electronic stability program, hill start hold control, hydraulic brake assist, brake override system, traction control system, vehicle dynamics control. Meron din po siyang TPMS, engine immobilizer at being a base model, you won't believe it, it has a reverse camera. Diba may impress ka talaga sa mga features na meron siya being a base model. Sang ka pa. Kaya pasyal na po kayo dito sa JAC Pasig along C5 on the way to QC para ma-test drive nyo at ma-check nyo ang JAC T8 Pro. Sa pagtatapos, well, what can I say? Well, this I can say. Probably, for the first time ever, there has never been a base model of a car or a pickup truck that impressed me more than this. Really, really impressive. It is worth buying. Ito po ang JAC T8 Pro. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe always. I'll see you on the next one.